This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, December 26th. Stock index futures are trading lower in light of firming U.S. Treasury yields. Investors are closely watching the Federal Reserve's 2025 policy outlook, focusing on the likelihood of fewer interest rate cuts. However, this bearish influence is likely to be offset by prospects of the U.S. economy growing faster than the consensus view. Moving over to the currency markets, the dollar index trading slightly higher this morning, but remaining in a 5-day congestion pattern. The greenback continues to trade close to 2-year highs that were touched last week as traders assess the Federal Reserve's interest rate strategy following hawkish projections that were made at last week's FOMC policy meeting. So the fundamentals and technicals continue to be supportive to the dollar index, and higher prices are likely, while the fundamentals and technicals continue to be bearish for the euro currency and the British pound, and lower prices are likely for those currencies. But I think it goes beyond that. I think all of the other major currencies will probably trend lower against the US dollar. Moving over to the interest rate market futures, the December 30-year Treasury bond futures declining to the lowest level since November of 2023. Recent declines in futures, especially at the long end of the curve, are due to the hawkish statement from the FOMC meeting. Still looks like the Fed is on track to keep rates unchanged at the upcoming January 29th policy meeting, with just a very small chance of another 25 basis point rate cut. Also looks like the Fed at its March meeting will remain on hold. So seeing the fundamentals as neutral, maybe a little bit bearish on balance for the interest rate futures markets. But once again, I believe all of the opportunities remain in the currencies, and once again to the long side of the US dollar index and to the short side of all of the other major currencies. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.